Now, Bitcoin is dumping significantly, and in this exact video, I will be talking about the reason why Bitcoin is dumping, but more importantly, I will be talking about the levels we should be paying attention towards right now. So make sure, do not miss out on today's update video, because I will be as well talking about FTX token that currently is jumping below the $22, what has been a very important historical level of support, and I will be talking about why this is currently happening and much more on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we maybe smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, I want to be saying that currently the stock market has not been dumping, while Bitcoin has been dumping towards the downside significantly. And to straight away give you the reason about why Bitcoin is dumping is basically due to the FUD around FTX. Because currently there are some rumors that FTX, the exchange, is probably insolvent, because if we're also going to be looking at some interesting data, is that we can currently see that the reserves, the cold wallet from the FTX Ether wallet, is that they only are having 9.1k Ether left in their account. And like you can see, every single second, many Ethereums are getting withdrawal from the exchange, and so far their reserves are not that significantly big anymore. And while this is happening, we can also start to see that currently there is a run on Bitcoin happening on the FTX exchange. On the 5th of November, there were still an approximately 21,000 Bitcoins on the FTX exchange. And from that point, we've basically seen a lot of Bitcoin getting withdrawal from the exchange. And currently, there are only an approximately 4,000 Bitcoin left on the exchange, what means that the exchange reserves are not necessarily that high anymore from now. So what I will be doing, in my opinion, is at least get my money off the FTX exchange. Maybe they're not going to go bankrupt, but still for me, it's too big of a risk to hold my Bitcoin over there. And also we can start to see that on the FTX token, open interest is hitting an all-time high, because many people are talking about shorting FTX right now. I think, yes, this could definitely be a Luna 2.0 and it could definitely go to zero for sure. But be very much aware, currently we are seeing the open interest being at all-time highs, what basically means that there's never been so much leverage in this market. And if I'm also looking at the Bybit exchange, currently the funding fees, like you can see right here, are significantly negative, what also means that we can currently see that many people are shorting this, and the volume is picking up significantly. So yeah, you could definitely short FTX right now, but I actually wouldn't be surprised if there also could be a possibility for a short squeeze happening, and then all these short positions are going to get wiped out. So personally, would I recommend to go in a short or a long position on FTX right now? I personally would stay away from it. However, I still am not bullish on FTX right now, because like you can see, we've broke below the very important horizontal level of support, and due to this reason, we are falling down very quickly. And also we do know that CZ is selling off more than 500 million US dollars in FTT, and due to all those reasons combined here, basically FTX is dropping. And due to all the fun in the market of FTX being potentially insolvent, we have seen Bitcoin also decrease here, because it is affecting the whole cryptocurrency industry and also many other altcoins. And due to that reason, the Bitcoin price action is decoupling from the S&P. The S&P is of course steadily rising, while Bitcoin has been falling down significantly and basically faking us out since of the point of this potential bull flag where we were creating, and then we broke down, and then the FUD basically continued. But where should we be looking at right now? If I'm looking at the Bitcoin price action, we're currently breaking this beautiful upper sloping support line that I wish we could have held on towards here, but unfortunately we're not doing so. If I'm then zooming out and look at some very important levels, we could start to look at this horizontal line right here. This is of course the level at 19.8k, and we can currently start to see the Bitcoin is potentially going to be holding on towards this level. It will be nice if Bitcoin can close its 4-hourly candle above 19.8k, because that will basically confirm that we're still going to be not losing this level of important support as well. So let's see if we can do so. And if we do break below it, I will definitely keep everyone up to date as well on my Twitter as on my Telegram Signal group. If you actually want to be benefiting from the volatility that currently is in the market and trade Bitcoin up or down, or trade any other altcoins that are also highly volatile right now, I would highly recommend to check out either BitGet or Bybit in the link description. BitGet is the exchange that you want to be using if you're living in the US, because BitGet allows you to trade from the US. If you're anywhere else in the world, I would highly recommend to check out Bybit. Bybit is also my favorite exchange to trade on, so make sure to check out Bybit right now in the link description. They are also offering currently a $30,000 US deposit bonus, so make sure to sign up your account using the link in the description and go to the rewards hub on Bybit right here, how you can basically see on how to claim your deposit bonus right there. So make sure to check it out right now in the link in the description. Furthermore, looking at the Bitcoin price action on the daily time frame, it is definitely very unfortunate we're coming down quickly. The daily MACD is crossing bearish, first time since basically the mid of October. That wasn't really a good confirmed signal. I mean, the last time we really had a bearish crossover, Bitcoin moved down towards 18.1k. Right now, we're crossing bearish once again, and let's see where it will be bringing us, because currently as well, Bitcoin is breaking below the daily EMA ribbon. And historically speaking, the last 5 to 10 times we've been flipping bullish on the EMA ribbon, we at least have seen a 10% movement towards the upside. However, we're currently not seeing so, and we're currently already breaking below it. So let's see if today is going to be a fake out. Could be well be so, and Bitcoin is going to be pushing back towards the upside. Only with all the FUD in the market, it wouldn't be likely to see this as a fake out. And due to the unexpected trouble in the market, this could be maybe different this time around. But yeah, Bitcoin breaking below the EMA ribbon, well, that's definitely not a good development for the market right now. So let's see how the daily candle is going to close here. If Bitcoin really is going to see a further continuation down and break below that important level of 19.8k, I mean, honestly, then we're confirming even a further continuation towards the downside, and it is going to be only likely that we're going to be visiting these lows again here. And once talking about these lows, if we do revisit the lows around $18,000 to $90,000, this range right here, if we really break below $18,000, then everything can fall very quickly towards the downside, and Bitcoin can go and visit these targets around $14,000. So be very much aware, the $18,000, if we break below it, things can go towards the downside very quickly. So keep your eyes wide open on the market right now. So this was it for me on today's update video. If you do enjoy the daily content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash up that like button. Anyways, check out the videos that are currently popping up above if you either want to be making passive income in the industry, or if you want to learn on how to copy trade right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.